gonna need this, and I hope it's enough for what we need to do today. Good on Amazon though. What is it? I don't know about you guys, but Amazon, it's where my money goes. It's for the Corvette. This is to help the battery tender there. I'll leave here, so I'll deal with this later. This goes to the garbage. And this comes with me on the big girl. We are going to Limited Auto Lab because we need some vinyl wrap on the truck. Cold start on the big girl. What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog again. Maddie here as always. So today I need to wrap the Chevy bow tie on the back of the truck, and I asked Ray if he could do for me because he's a professional, he knows his stuff. So if you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe. A bunch of truck content in general, because I'll leave that truck in general if you get my drill. Corvette content, car content, vlogs, everything you find here. So I really appreciate your support. And also we are giving away a drone and a GoPro. There's a link in the description below for hardworkforce.com. We are almost on our final week, so you still have time to enter. Maybe you can get something for somebody else, your wife, your kids, and you get a chance to win a pretty nice combo, which is a drone, a small drone. You don't need a license to fly that drone, and also a GoPro 10 bundle. It comes with everything you need: battery, SD card, tripod, and everything else, right? Head now, hardworkforce.com. It's your chance. You guys know that I normally do my own wrap, especially in small stuff. I don't think it's hard, but once I saw somebody who knows what they are doing it, I was like, no, I cannot do it. I wanna do this right, and I really wanna learn. And I think the best way to learn is when you look to somebody, you know, who knows what they are doing. That's the best way to learn. So that's why I just want to explain why we are getting there. See, I had the vinyl at home, so full house, dude, full house. This is Junior's SS. It's pretty cool. This is one of the cars I want so bad. Couple Corvette, the ZR2. You guys love the ZR2. What's up? This is definitely a two-man job.
Like my hat?
Love it. I love it.
This truck looks way bigger inside. Yeah. This looks way bigger inside.
I can't wait to put the truck here and say, here's the key, wrap it.
Do it. Man, I like this little big truck. This big little truck?
It's a little bigger truck.
Yeah.
It's little. I got for it.
Did you?
That's what I want to power coat it. Oh, I also got.
Oh, nice. Are these 33s?
Yeah, 33 and a half.
35s. They look so big.
33 and a half. It's because the truck it's small though.
No, it looks good. I really like it.
Sitting in my garage.
Some carbon? Cool.
What do you think?
We can use that. I have other carbon. We can, if you want a different color, that doesn't matter to me. I know I have rolls of satin.
Definitely not gloss. Let me see next to the, which color?
Ooh. Either one. Is that the brush black?
No,
that's just satin.
That's satin.
I have brush black.
I have a
in my
little bit
office.
too.
Ooh.
What do you think?
This matches the flag better.
Yeah, that's what I was telling
Yeah.
you.
Yeah, but if you want contrast, then go with this because then it'll pop
Matches
in
the
center
running
flag.
boards better.
What
about blue to match all the blue accents you're gonna do?
I like contrast. So this one is more of a match to this.
Yeah.
And will pop more in that flag.
Yeah, let's do it. Feels like a brand new truck. Did you see what I put it on?
Little touches,
It's a
man.
vinyl. It's super
vinyl?
thick, yeah.
I like that.
Yeah. It's a guess from where?
Amazon.
New cold air intake.
S&B.
Yeah. Put it on yesterday.
Your other one.
Yeah, it was crappy.
What brand was that one?
AFE.
And it got that bad?
I think it was the shield. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I was surprised.
Yeah.
This is nice.
This is way cleaner. Yeah.
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 Plastic, not right away.
There we go. That's why I went with that one. Dude, so much better. Thanks so much, Ray Jr. Limited Out Labs. You guys know this is my stop shop for everything. So it doesn't get any better than this. Alright, sorry for the awful transition, but here it is. A lot of people ask me about the bow tie. I was debating what I should do, like a matte black, gloss black, but I think this one is just perfect. You look at that back of this truck, dude. So perfect. Of course, you guys saw we also did the steering wheel, right? Which is even better now. So coming along, I'm telling you that I'm taking care of the truck as much as I can. It's coming along, and dude, I'm so happy with it. Thank you so much, Limited Outer Lab, Ray Jr. So I'll leave his Instagram below. So if you need anything regarding wrapping trucks, vinyl stuff, ceramic coat, detailing, anything, you can hit, you know, send him a message, tell that I sent you. Let me know what you guys think about the all black couch. We are back, baby. We are back on the black, the all black. And the only reason why I removed my vinyl is because I did a bad job. And now with a professional touch, it's way better. Also, looks like Christmas came early. Look, all those parts and everything here, it's for a truck. Look, all trucks parts, but I'm not gonna show you guys now, right? Just want to show you guys you guys remember why I didn't do the brakes. So I got my locking nuts master key set. So let's see if it's gonna work. If it's gonna work, you guys gonna see on the next upload that we're gonna work on the brakes. Look at that. That's the one. Let's see. Oh yeah, boys, we are back in the game. Look, perfect. Works perfect. So now we are back in the game. So, and I have a key of lug nuts for every single car I might need in the future. So you stay tuned for that too. So look at that. I bought this from Amazon. I think it was $45. So we got everything you need. I'll leave the link in the description below if you wanna. I think if you have, if you work on your car, you definitely should get one. And look, you have this kind of lug nut thing. You have this. It's just like awesome. So you get everything you might need for any kind of lug nut. And now I'm happy because now we can finish the brakes on the big girl. That would do for today's upload. I hope you guys really enjoy. I'm telling you, the big girl, it's coming back better than ever. I know I have put her on the side, but you just saw the amount of box and everything for her. So I'm super excited. It's gonna be a totally different build. Dude, I cannot wait for us to start. If you notice, I have been posting every single day. We're gonna have videos every day until Christmas. I'm doing again the Vlogmas, right? So I hope you guys support. Make sure to subscribe, to hit the notification bell so you know. It's really fun. I share a bunch of videos so you guys really get to know a little bit of my life. Giveaway, it's running out. You still have a chance to win. 5-time entries are wrong right now, so make sure to head to hardworkforce.com and get your entries, right? I'll see you guys tomorrow, and never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.